Okay, I'm gonna give you five crypto coins to buy ASAP because these coins can possibly make you rich. And no, I'm not over-exaggerating. Alright, not too long ago, I gave you 5 crypto coins that I noticed stood out while everything else was dumping, and these coins are doing very well even today. As a matter of fact, these crypto coins that I mentioned are still looking strong and are still a good buying opportunity. But if you missed that video, don't worry, I'll leave it linked down below and at the end of this video so you can watch it after this one. Now that said, I noticed another 5 crypto coins that are showing tremendous strength and signs that they can go a lot higher, giving you massive amounts of profits and possibly making you into a millionaire. So real quick, hit that like button for support. Let's get started. Okay, first up, we have Mantle, a layer 2, an Ethereum layer 2 that's actually looking to take market share from larger blockchains such as Solana and Polygon. See, even though I called Mantle a while ago, the price action it's displaying is actually quite amazing. See, this Bybit-backed coin is actually forming support, a range of support right here around the 80 cents level. And if it actually breaks 85 cents, which I think it will, it actually goes into blue sky breakout, meaning price discovery. There's actually no resistance above this resistance over here. And if you look at the complete price move here, it's only gone up so far around 67%. In cryptocurrency, this is nothing. This can go a lot higher. And when I say a lot higher, I mean a lot higher.
All right, look, real quick. I know a lot of you know this, but I gotta be responsible here. When I say these coins are showing strength, I don't mean just go in, ape in, okay, because I know a bunch of you out there are a bunch of degens, just like myself. What I'm saying is they showed strength, look for a dip, then get into these coins. Make sure you wait for a dip, don't just ape in, because just because these showed strength doesn't mean they're gonna go up right now. I'm saying that generally when the markets go up, these are displaying sign of strength or displayed sign of strength, so they're good entries. Does that make sense?
Talking about cryptocurrencies that can go a lot higher, we have ordinals on the Bitcoin blockchain. Now, ordinals are the equivalent of NFTs that are on Ethereum, but these are on Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum has ERC20 tokens. Bitcoin has BRC20 tokens. And if you look at ORDI here, if we look at the ORDI token, on the weekly, it might be struggling to break the support area, but if you go to the monthly, you will see it's actually doing quite well, making this range support over here. Go to the yearly, you can actually see the price action. It's been doing very well. And if you go to the complete chart, you will see again, if it breaks $83, blue sky breakout, price discovery, no resistance. So ORDI with a Bitcoin narrative, with what's going on with Bitcoin, the ETF, and so on, ORDI is an excellent play that can give you massive amounts of profits. Next up, we have SNEC, a meme coin actually built on the Cardano blockchain. Now, we have been in SNEC for a while. We called it early thanks to Platimama and some inside information. We actually got into SNEC early, but if you look at what Cardano's doing lately, Cardano is making some moves, meaning the ecosystem is soon to follow. Now, if you look at the price action of SNEC, you will actually see it broke resistance over here and is looking to make this range into support. Go to the monthly and you can actually see it has been doing very well. Yes, you can see lower highs going over here, but you can also see less drops on the lows, meaning this could bounce up and break these highs, break these resistance areas over here. Go to the yearly chart and you can have a better picture of this. I mean, right here you can see a sort of inverse heads and shoulders, maybe, potentially, and you can also see this becoming support right over here at this level. Bounce back up, break 0.0021, and you do have blue sky breakout again. Now, SNEC has gone up almost 800% since its release, but in cryptocurrency, this is nothing. We can do a lot more. It can go a lot higher. Now, we actually did very well with SNEC and other cryptocurrency, other crypto coins, because we got in early. But how do you get in early? Because usually when something releases on an exchange or there's an IDO, people that got in earlier sell. So when something releases, the price usually dumps on you. How can you become that early investor? Which brings me to my next project here. And that project is called APE Terminal, allowing you to ape better. In other words, ape in better. It's actually quite funny. Now, APE Terminal is a launch pad, kind of like Seedify, which lets you or allows you to enter projects before they are released, meaning you can actually become an early investor yourself. The difference is APE Terminal is a launch pad on steroids. See, APE Terminal uses a revolutionary keyless wallet via email sign app that gives you full custody of assets, as well as a fiat on-ramp on-chain. You can also deposit any token and actually earn up to 100% APY, allegedly. And it offers spot, perpetual, and options trading on-chain, Robinhood style. Now, quite a few projects, successful projects, have actually been released on APE Terminal. One of them being Inspect, which we actually talked about on this channel, which gave you a 21x. Now, full transparency here, I am an early investor in APE Terminal. I actually had an allocation deal with them, and if you want to know what that is, you can check it out. It's linked right up here. Next up, we have Caspa, a project that's very similar to Bitcoin, but different. See, Caspa is actually faster than Bitcoin and uses what we call block tags. Now, Caspa is also proof of work, and it is a lot faster than Bitcoin. Now, some will argue that block tags are actually superior to Bitcoin as well. I would argue that sound hard money, if you know the principles, it's a bit different, but I don't want to get into which one is better. What I do know is that Caspa can do very well. It can do a 10, 20x from here, and I think that a lot of people have forgotten about Caspa. See, as it was going up, everybody was going crazy, and now that it's been resting, a lot of people have forgot about it, and I do think it's ready to get a next leg up. As you can see, it topped out at about 12 cents, 12, 13 cents over here, and we had a pullback, which we called, and is now looking to make this range over here into support. Can it go lower? Sure, but I do think it's gonna make support eventually. And if you go to the monthly chart, you will see, even though we are going down right now, we are pretty close to all-time highs of about 14 cents. Break 14 cents, and what do we have? Blue sky breakout, price discovery. So these are definitely coins you want to get into and possibly accumulate ASAP on a dip. Now, if you want to know another 5 coins that I called that are still great buys, make sure you watch this video right here. You don't want to miss that video. Or if you want to win, potentially win $10,000, check out this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.